I am back with the Southern Skeins Vintage Lane Holiday Advent, and today is day 16. So let's go ahead and take a look at what today's color is. Alright, and there is today's color. How pretty is that? That is very pretty purples. Very, very pretty. And I'm going to lay it with all the other colors and try and pick them up without dropping them. And I have quite a few, actually. So let's get this bouquet up. And there you go. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So these are all the colors so far that I have gotten. And I thought I'd show them to you. And onward to the next day. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and happy yarning. Bye now.